The world of real estate investing is changing faster than ever before. If you're thinking of buying, selling, or simply holding onto your properties, 2025 is shaping up to be a game changer. With advancements in technology, sustainability, and shifting market demands, investors who stay ahead of the curve will be the ones reaping the biggest rewards. But what exactly should you be watching? From AI-driven property analysis to the rise of affordable housing investments, here are the most critical real estate trends that will shape the industry in 2025. AI and big data will transform real estate decisions. Artificial intelligence and big data analytics are revolutionizing the way investors make decisions. In 2025, property investors will rely more than ever on AI-driven algorithms to analyze market trends, predict property values, and assess potential risks. Tools like machine learning models will scan vast amounts of historical pricing, neighborhood trends, and rental demand to give investors a competitive edge. Instead of spending weeks researching a location, AI can now provide instant insights on whether a property is a smart buy. With platforms like Zillow, Redfin, and CoStar integrating AI, expect smarter, faster, and more data-driven investing. The rise of smart homes and IoT-integrated properties. The real estate market is moving towards smarter, more connected homes thanks to the Internet of Things. In 2025, more rental properties and new developments will feature smart thermostats, voice-activated assistants, security systems, and energy-efficient appliances. These upgrades are not just a luxury, they increase property value, lower maintenance costs, and attract tech-savvy tenants. Investors who focus on smart property integration will see higher demand, increased rental income, and better long-term value. If you're not already thinking about smart home technology, now is the time to start. Sustainable and green real estate will be more profitable. Sustainability is no longer an option, it's a necessity. With growing concerns about climate change and energy consumption, investors who focus on green buildings, energy-efficient homes, and eco-friendly construction materials will see massive growth in 2025. LEED-certified buildings, solar-powered apartments, and net-zero energy homes are becoming industry standards. Not only do these properties lower utility costs for tenants, but they also qualify for government tax incentives and have higher resale values. If you want to future-proof your investments, going green is the way forward. The metaverse and virtual real estate are expanding. Yes, you read that right. Virtual real estate is a booming market, and it's not slowing down in 2025. Investors are purchasing digital land in virtual worlds like Decentraland, The Sandbox, and Meta's Horizon Worlds. These properties are used for virtual businesses, entertainment hubs, and digital storefronts. While it might sound futuristic, brands like Nike, Gucci, and even major real estate firms are already investing millions into virtual land. As the metaverse economy expands, digital real estate could become a lucrative asset class alongside traditional investments. Co-living and shared spaces are redefining urban housing. With skyrocketing housing costs and shifting lifestyles, co-living spaces are becoming a dominant trend for young professionals, students, and remote workers. These properties feature private rooms with shared common areas like kitchens, co-working spaces, and gyms. In 2025, expect more co-living developments in major cities as affordability and flexibility drive demand. Investors who focus on co-living rental properties will see higher occupancy rates and steady income streams. Platforms like Common, Bungalow, and Outsite are already capitalizing on this trend, and the market is only growing. The suburban boom is still going strong. The pandemic accelerated a mass migration to the suburbs, and this trend isn't fading anytime soon. With the rise of remote and hybrid work models, professionals are choosing larger homes with more space over cramped city apartments. Investors looking for long-term growth should consider suburban rental properties, multifamily developments, and mixed-use communities. These areas often have lower property taxes, higher appreciation rates, and strong rental demand. If you're still focused solely on urban investments, 2025 is the year to start looking beyond the city. Short-term rentals will face more regulations but stay profitable. Short-term rentals like Airbnb and Vrbo have been one of the most profitable real estate strategies in recent years, but 2025 will bring stricter regulations. Many cities are introducing laws that limit short-term rentals, increase taxes, or require special permits. However, the demand for vacation rentals, corporate housing, and luxury short-term stays is still growing. To stay ahead, investors should focus on strategic locations where short-term rentals are still allowed, optimize pricing with ag tools, and provide unique, high-quality experiences for guests. The key is adapting to the new rules without losing profitability. Fractional real estate investing will open the market to everyone. Not everyone can afford to buy an entire property, but fractional real estate investing is changing the game. Platforms like Fundrise, Arrived Homes, and Roofstock allow investors to buy shares of rental properties with as little as $100. This trend is making real estate more accessible, allowing smaller investors to own a piece of high-value properties without the hassle of maintenance or management. In 2025, expect more tech-driven platforms that make fractional ownership easier, more profitable, and widely adopted. 3D printed homes will disrupt affordable housing. One of the most exciting innovations in real estate is 3D printed homes. Companies like Icon and Mighty Buildings are using advanced 3D printing technology to construct entire houses in a matter of days at a fraction of the cost. These homes are not only cheaper and faster to build, but they're also more sustainable and durable. In 2025, expect major investments in 3D printed housing, especially in areas facing housing shortages and affordability crisis. If you're looking for the next big thing in real estate, this is it. Crypto and blockchain will revolutionize property transactions. Blockchain technology is making real estate transactions faster, cheaper, and more secure. In 2025, expect more property sales to be handled through smart contracts, eliminating middlemen, reducing paperwork, and cutting transaction fees. Real estate tokenization will also allow investors to buy and trade property shares like stocks, increasing liquidity in the market. Platforms like Propy and Realt are already using blockchain for real estate deals, and this trend is only getting bigger. If you haven't explored crypto-powered real estate investing, now is the time. Mixed-use developments will dominate urban planning. One of the biggest trends in real estate for 2025 will be the expansion of mixed-use developments, where residential, commercial, and recreational spaces seamlessly blend into one area. Gone are the days when people wanted to live in one place, work in another, and commute for entertainment. The demand for convenience has led to a boom in self-sustaining communities that offer everything from luxury apartments and co-working spaces to shopping centers, fitness hubs, and entertainment zones, all within walking distance. Cities are shifting towards these live work-play environments to reduce traffic congestion, lower carbon footprints, and increase walkability. Investors who jump on this trend will find opportunities in revitalized downtown areas, suburban mini-cities, and tech-driven smart communities. With younger generations seeking more connected and experience-rich lifestyles, mixed-use properties will offer higher rental yields, increased property appreciation, and diversified income streams. If you're looking for a long-term investment that aligns with the future of urban planning, this is a sector to watch closely. The future is now. Are you ready? The real estate market in 2025 will be faster, smarter, and more innovative than ever before. With trends like AI-driven analytics, green buildings, blockchain transactions, and 3D printed homes, investors who adapt early will have a significant advantage. Whether you're looking at traditional rentals, short-term stays, virtual real estate, or fractional ownership, there are endless opportunities to profit while staying ahead of the curve. So the question is, are you ready to invest in the future of real estate?